Good morning, guys. The washer and dryer are pulling up. We're literally backing up our road.
No, he doesn't know where he's going.
Do.
Maybe it is powerful.
They didn't turn, they went straight. Yeah, we're gonna get a washer and dryer. It was a good thing we like actually planned to wake up at like a little before 7, because then they called and were like, we're gonna be there in a half hour. So it's really loud in here right now, but we got a washer and dryer. It sticks out a little, which is like really annoying, but it's because of this back here. Like what is it?
It's right here. It's the hose. Sticks out too far.
Yeah, that's annoying. But they had to make it like this so that the door could close. But they're running it. They're running it right now so it can get like all the dirt out and be good to go. So then we'll be able to do laundry because we're running out of clothes. Well, running out of workout clothes and like comfy clothes. So we need to wash that. We need to wash our sheets still. It's laundry day, I guess.
Give it your breakfast. What you doing?
It's only 8 o'clock. Did this. We had these because we were going to put these in our little entertainment system thing. They're way too big and we were going to return them. But we're just going to keep them because they're really nice. We got them at Walmart and they're like really big and nice quality. So I just put, let's see, paper towels and light bulbs in this one. Obviously, as we like get more stuff can go in them, but that's in that one. And then this one is like grocery bags and paper bags, and then just like the thing that our router came in, and little vacuum attachments. And then I left out this stuff for now because like I'm gonna have to grab it. I might get like a smaller one and put that stuff in it or something, but we have our fire extinguisher. Yeah, got our stuff. Need to start the laundry. Back here, this is just what we have. I have like these bags. I don't know what to do with all these hooks. We'll figure it out. But, oh yeah, our broom's back here. Have some breakfast and yeah, kind of get the day started. Got a workout in. I'm gonna make cupcakes because it's still his grandma's birthday today. And we're doing like, they're doing a little family Zoom tonight, which will be fun to like celebrate her birthday, which will be really cute. So we're gonna do that. And I need to fill out some paperwork for my job. And I don't know what else, so. What?
I'll take a spoon.
It's one of the straws. I made them too thick, so Dylan's eating with a spoon. Is it good?
Okay, hold on.
Can I then?
Come on. Keep going. You almost got it. There you go.
Love. Tastes banana-y.
Cheers.
Cheers.
What am I doing? What was that?
That's what you were doing.
No, it wasn't.
About messing up the sandwiches even though you didn't mess them up. I didn't ask for this. Guys, go check out my newest TikTok.
No, don't. It's not funny at all.
It was really funny. We just had some clubs for lunch and now it's time to make cupcakes. Cupcakes for Grandma. Actually, it's time to do dishes, then we can make cupcakes because I got a lot of dishes. Okay, Google, pause. There's a fly in here. Cupcakes are in. Okay, Google, pause. Thank you. The cupcakes are in. Ooh, I think they're done. Those are like brown. So, I didn't mention. Google! Okay, Google, stop. I didn't mention that I used this cake mix to make Dylan's sister cupcakes on Monday, and now I'm using the other half now, which is why there's like half. So I'm gonna pull these out actually. And I have a little bit more mix left, so I can use that to make a few more. And then I'll let them cool, ice them, and we'll bring them over to her. So I want her to have them by the time we do our little Zoom for her birthday. Also doing laundry, just folded some, put it away. Dylan's out of the shower so I can start this load. So it was Dylan messing with Google. I had a feeling, but she sometimes really doesn't listen. It's like really raining. So I think we're gonna bring some of these to Dylan's mom and sister and Scott so they can have some cupcakes too. Because now I have 16. I don't think her grandma's gonna eat 16 cupcakes.
Definitely not.
Was I not recording? Okay, I just recorded a whole clip and I wasn't even recording. So we're off to bring cupcakes to Dylan's mom and Dylan's grandma. Since it's grandma's birthday. They're in the back, so we'll slide around. Hopefully.
Ding dong ditch 'em.
We're gonna ding dong ditch 'em with some cupcakes. It's rainy.
It's rain.
But it's been a pretty good day, I'd say.
Yeah.
You think so?
Productive. We got our washer and dryer.
I know we got almost all our laundry done.
Clubs.
Yeah, we had clubs for lunch. They were so good.
We're gonna do a video chat with my whole family later for my grandma's birthday.
Yep.
Bring your cocktails.
Yeah, they said bring your cocktails. Still deciding about if I should do a marg or a mojito. I think a mojito.
A mojito.
A mojito. What are you gonna do, babe? pull off.
Maybe a rum and Coke. Mix it in.
Very cute. I want to take a group picture before anyone leaves. Colt's family, get in. Oh yeah, Bob, hold on. I think you went to get another Manhattan. Hold on. What are you jamming to?
Nothing. The music going on in my head.
All up there, okay.
Sweet. Their little Zoom for Dylan's
Okay,
grandma's
Google.
birthday. Oh
Stop.
yeah, good call. They're making pizzas. They were matching. Cut up some peppers, onions, tomato, and I do just sauce, and then the veggies, and then Dylan does sauce and cheese and veggies. Thanks, babe. My glass straws came. Woohoo!
With a cleaning brush. With two cleaning brush.
Mm-hmm. So you have to be able to go like in the middle.
Oh, final.